Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable garment racks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Laundry Drying Foldable Garment Rack. The first garment rack on the list is a unique product from Amazon Basics, which is presented as one of the most convenient solutions for air-drying clothes and neatly hanging items together. This garment rack is made of durable materials. Therefore, you do not need to worry when folding it to take it away. Made from lightweight metal and covered with an epoxy layer, this garment rack can work well in all environmental and weather conditions, as well as ensure long-term use. Besides, special materials help it avoid mold and odors and help you easily clean the stains. However, its disadvantage is that new users sometimes have difficulty installing it. But you can overcome this drawback with the provided instructions in the package. Moving on at number 4, we have the Simple Houseware Chrome Heavy Duty Garment Rack. The second product of the list is a garment rack from Simple Houseware. This garment rack has a simple but elegant design that makes it suitable for any space in your home. The lightweight and 4 wheels make it smoother and easier to move, helping to avoid collisions that may damage other interiors. Plus, this Simple Houseware garment rack is designed to be adjustable in width, supporting you to hang more clothes. The frame is made from strong steel and aluminum, which makes its service life longer and rust resistance is guaranteed. However, it cannot be folded neatly. So, if you want a high-quality yet affordable product, go for this model. At number 3, we have the Whitmore Chrome Adjustable Garment Rack. This garment rack from Whitmore is one of the most convenient and affordable solutions for putting shoes and hanging clothes in your home. The two silver and black colors combine in a harmonious way, making this garment rack elegant appearance, attracting more attention. In addition, its height can be adjusted easily, effectively supporting you in hanging clothes. Besides, this Whitmore garment rack is simple to install and dismantle so you can easily transport and use it. One of its outstanding advantages is that the durable material ensures a long service life. On the other hand, its only drawback is that the volume is slightly larger than that of other competing products. No tools or hardware are required to set up this garment rack. At number 2, we have the Whitmore Drying Garment Rack. Another garment rack from Whitmore appears on this list. Completely different from the products reviewed above, this garment rack is extremely unique and eye-catching design. Its price is relatively low when compared to the prices of other products on the market. This is one of its special advantages. Plus, this Whitmore garment rack is foldable to make the transportation and storage more smooth and convenient. It is recommended as one of the best products for hanging ironed clothes. The only weakness of this garment rack is the special shape that makes it suitable for only a few spaces. Whether you are living in a small apartment or a large house, this garment rack can be a great option for your living space. And finally at number 1, we have the YP Rolling Folding Collapsible Garment Rack. This is another garment rack that can show the ability to withstand large volumes of clothes up to 250 pounds. This garment rack comes from YP. Despite its heavy weight, this YP garment rack is equipped with gear to assist you in moving it. Plus, this garment rack designed to be easily installed or dismantled, saving you space when you do not need it or leaving it behind the trunk of your car every time you move. Moreover, the height and width are adjustable, supporting you to maximum hang clothes and other items. The rugged, high-quality materials ensure long-term performance. Thanks to a collapsible design, you can fold it up after each use and store in another area. This makes the unit a great solution for those people who are living in a confined space. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.